All right, everyone, I'm getting lots of the same questions. So let me do a quick walkthrough. And my phone's ringing. Let me do a quick walkthrough of how to enter data in PSPP. Please start with your first variable being student number. This is going to make it a lot easier to keep it straight. Your second variable, you can have that be your group. Before we go any further, make sure you are on your variable view tab. Now, this group is where you're going to enter if something is your control group or your experimental group. So on this line is where you're going to come over here to your labels, and you're going to write something like 0 is control group, 1 is experimental group. So you're going to click add on both of those. You're going to click OK. And now when you're back in here, I'm not going to go through this whole thing for you, but let's do score 1 from their first test score. So now you have this set up, your student number, your group, and your score. When you come back over here to data view, this is where you're actually going to enter your numbers. So if student number 432 was in the control group and got a score of 55. Student number 310 was in the experimental group and got a score of 67. Okay, so this is how this should be looking as you go through and enter your data. So try using this, and if there are still follow-up questions, then please feel free to shoot me another email.